Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make Instagram account private. First you need to open the Instagram account, then go to the profile page. Here find the three lines on the top of the screen. Click on it and then select the setting and privacy. Here scroll down and find the account privacy. Here we can make account private using this slider. And that's all. We make account private and as can we see it work. If you want to turn off this function, you can go here again and using the slider turn off this option. And that's all for today. Goodbye.